Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Nissan Maxima versus the Ferrari F8 Tributo. We'll explore how these two distinct automobiles stack up across various categories, from their initial cost to their driving dynamics and everyday practicality. Understanding their differences will highlight what each car offers to its specific driver. Let's dive into the details of these fascinating machines. When it comes to raw power, the Ferrari F8 Tributo clearly dominates with its impressive 710 horsepower twin-turbo V8 engine. The Nissan Maxima, while a capable sedan, offers 300 horsepower from its V6. This translates directly to acceleration. The F8 Tributo rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds, while the Maxima achieves this in 5.7 seconds. Beyond performance, practicality and ownership costs diverge sharply. The Nissan Maxima comfortably seats 5 passengers and provides 14.3 cubic feet of trunk space, making it ideal for families. The Ferrari F8 Tributo, a 2-seater, offers limited cargo capacity. Fuel efficiency also differs, with the Maxima achieving 24 combined miles per gallon versus the F8 Tributo's 16 combined miles per gallon. Maintenance for the Ferrari is substantially more expensive. In terms of luxury and features, both cars offer distinct experiences. The Maxima provides a comfortable cabin with available heated seats, an 8-inch touchscreen, and advanced driver assist technologies. The F8 Tributo focuses on a driver-centric cockpit with exquisite materials like carbon fiber and bespoke customization. While the Maxima offers great value as a sporty, practical sedan, the F8 Tributo delivers an unparalleled exotic driving experience. Be sure to check the description for a link to those meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.